with the people of that village, and it was a sight that was ghastly. It was a very difficult moment for me kwenda kuona pahali watoto wetu walichomeka. Na kwa hivyo mimi sina maneno mengi, ni kuambia wazazi, may the Lord give you comfort. It is difficult. We cannot pretend to tell you that it is easy. As the moderator said in his sermon, if it were possible, much as none of us welcomes death, but if it were possible, it's much better for parents to be buried by their children as opposed to parents burying their children. These young souls, innocent young boys, our heart cries for them. When you look at them, they are innocents. They are no more. So sisi kama serikali, wazazi tunasema pole. Kwa watu ya Nyeri tunasema pole. And Governor, RC and your teams, you people have been wonderful. Ile kazi mmefanya, Mungu atabariki nyinyi. I want to really thank the people of Nyeri for the unity they have shown in the last 3 weeks juu ya hawa watoto wetu. And mimi nasikika sana. And the Minister of Education, as the President directed, do whatever you can on matter safety. Dwanyoba itutuoka kuga oria twekaga tukana gashibo kugiria Aciari ya maithori tondu niguo Ngai witu endaga tuikare twendanite tuikare tuiguanire tha na muno muno tukoranagia wendo nigetha tuhata guikara na njira iria yagirire. Former Vice President, the people of the mountain are very good people. They are very trusting, and they are very kind, and they are very loving. They return love with love. They return kindness with kindness. They are very forgiving, but they don't forget. I appeal to everybody to treat the people of the mountain with kindness, because it's the right thing to do. These people were there. They are there today. They will be there tomorrow. No idue twari kuo, no idue twe kuo, no idue tugakorwo ki ndarikia ndarikia. Before I ask moderator to allow me to sing one song with these Christians, ningetaka nisome risala ya rabirabi ya rais wetu William Ruto. Condolence message of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, to the families who lost their young ones in the Hillside Edarasha Academy fire tragedy. We are pained by the loss of young lives in the Hillside Edarasha Academy fire tragedy. Success, Timothy Wamai, Emmanuel Maina, Kelvin, Samvin, Travis, Fadnad, Kent, Timothy, Weru, John Komu, Lewis Machira, Roy Braddon, Roy Victor, Michael, Lewis Wairagu, John Monga, Collins, Bernard, Robinson, Emmanuel Kiragu, and Ernest were hardworking and with a promising future. As investigations continue, we commit to support the families affected by the horrific accident. We also call upon for strict compliance with boarding regulations to prevent the recurrence of such tragedies. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of the Hillside and the Russia Academy fraternity. May we be comforted by the word of the Lord in the book of Psalm 34, verse 18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Rest in peace, Poleni Sana. Signed, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. Modi na brera kuhoera bururi. Muturirikane mahoya-ini niguo. Eka rwimbo ina gabisi. Nemukoi. Getagwo atia. Haya rugamai. Jesu we unyendete nikurira hariwe riria bara inene nowe wakuhonokia ithabaru-inĩ ciaku niĩ mũndũ mũthĩni honokia Ngai wakwa gitĩra muoyo wakwa wĩhitho wakwa nowe na mũrũ wakwa nowe ikaigatwo harĩwe ũnjĩtĩkĩre niĩ nĩngwĩhokete nawe ũteithio wakwa ona mwĩhĩtwo wakwa ũrorerie thũ ciakwa wega wothe nĩ waku yohane ino waku mwathani Danielo iũrĩa wega waku Jesu ndakwamũkĩra we gĩthima kĩa muoyo therũka thĩinĩ wakwa nginya tene na tene. Nĩ gĩa kũu gĩtikwenda thogini karai thĩ mwathiĩ mũciĩ nĩ mũkũgeithania nĩ mũkũririkana bamĩrĩ ici na mahoya nĩ mũkũririkana bũrũri witũ nĩ mũgũtũririkana na inyuĩ Ngai amũrathime amwĩke wega mwararamĩrie mĩhaka mũrorima gũkumia amũgitĩre kuma kwĩ ndwari mĩciĩ yanyu yurage irathimo ihiana mbura njega. Asanteni sana.